It's our anniversary trip and we will be going to Belgium. And this is our building. And we're just waiting for the Airbnb manager. Let's see how it looks like inside. It's really nice. The furniture in the building is new, so we're just lucky to get it and book.
Vous séquez sur la table, vous mettez la porte, tout simplement. La chambre est ici.
Bien sûr.
Faut qu'on dirait voir, mais en vrai c'est beaucoup mieux.
Ouais, c'est vachement. Ouais, c'est magnifique. Ça va.
Ici.
Ouais, c'est équipé. Ouais, c'est équipé.
Hi, we're here in the future of Europe.
So nice. Nice.
I think I will like this.
Let's see.
Okay. Super like.
Let's see.
So what can you say, baby? In this place, what can you say?
I like that city so much.
City? So nice. So you're going to make coffee and we have brought this one with us, of course, for us to save money for our breakfast. And I also brought us our eggs for our breakfast also. And this one. And juice. It's really nice. This Airbnb is really great. Perfect.
This is the oven.
Yes, I know.
This is okay.
Okay, I
See
know.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I know. Okay.
So, it's not easy to guess, but
Okay.
I think.
I thought you know. Go.
Okay, first of all, you check if you have
Capsule.
a capsule
Okay.
here. In
Yes.
that case, if you have you withdraw. If you have a capsule, you withdraw it.
Okay.
Okay, like this. So you put it.
Okay.
It's a new capsule.
Yes.
Here, now.
Very good.
This is here it is
The level.
the level of the coffee you need in the morning. Okay, you set her. So I think here it's maybe for you.
Only little for me. I don't.
Yes.
think
So
much.
in the
Okay,
middle, in the middle.
Okay. The middle only.
Yes. Okay. Now.
Did you put water? You
we
have to
need
put water.
water.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Good reflex.
Okay. Put water.
So, but as you can see, there's
Ah.
water.
Okay, it's already.
Yes, it's so,
Okay.
Here. So I guess it's here.
Okay, go.
No, actually it's not here. It's here.
Okay, go. Yes, it's going.
It's hot.
OMG, that's super great.
You can choose cold.
The coffee is nice. Why are you wearing this one? During sleep you're wearing? You want more?
A bit, just a bit. Okay. You want?
Yes. No, Jojo, that's yours.
You can.
No.
Half.
No.
Half. It's okay for me. Half.
Why did you buy Bio? It's expensive, no?
No, not that much. It's too much meat, so it's not good for you.
Baby, there's nothing.
If
See?
there's nothing, you are just.
I cannot see anything.
I see it.
No.
Yes, I see.
Why it's not good for the health? Why? Tell me
Because
and
it
explain
makes-
to me the pathophysiology.
Le sang. Ça peut créer un caillot de sang et, un caillot de sang ou réduire, to reduce. You see?
Listen, if where the sodium is, the water will follow. So if you keep on eating salt or sodium, you tend to drink a lot of water.
Sure.
Yes, more water in your body, that tends your blood to be high. We're on our way to our
Feel the freshness.
freshness. We're on our way to our second day tour. But on this time, we are going to use our car. We're going to Brussels Cathedral, and from there we are going to work our car, and we're going to a lot of places. I have prepared already an itinerary for that. So, wow, the cathedral is very nice. Yeah, people. Yes, 3 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours only.
Ok.
Et les petits pouces en dessous.
Ah ouais, ok. Ok, les 3 hours or
Okay, 3 hours, 3 hours.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Fine.
Élevé.
Ok, ouais. Ok.